What's up? It is Mitchell J, the Scaredy Cat Guide, and yesterday we saw a little green in crypto, but as you can see, a little. So if you look at the Bitcoin chart, you'll see we got the little green candle there, and we started the new day about 4 hours ago, and it's slightly lower. Um, as you can see, we came near support. I talked about this in the last video. We got near the support area. It's kind of in the mix. Um, and saw a tiny rebound. Luckily, the volume was up a little bit. I mean, obviously, we got this volume spike on the sell off, and then volume at least was above average on this green candle. But again, not much movement. So clearly, at least the buyers are fighting the sellers now. So that's positive. The question is, are they going to be able to take over and win the battle? So um, I ideally, we would love to see a little bounce, and if we do, then I'll kind of look at this as basically of a successful test of this support level again. But if we can't get any follow through here, we come back down and test this. I don't know. I mean, support levels work for a number of occasions until they break. Fourth time. So we zoom out, you can see. I mean, this could get a little ugly. If we basically do not hold and or rally and we decide to roll over again, I mean, we are looking at 5,800, 5,500. It's basically, downside of possible 1,000 points. So how about we not do that? Let's just rally instead. So obviously, ideally, we want to bounce and come back up and challenge this prior top here around the 7,700 level and see if we can make some headway. I'd love to see us just even get above 7,100 for now, which was basically the bottom of our last little meager bounce. So we shall see what happens. We are a bit oversold. This blue line I have here is actually the 10-day moving average, which I just wanted to look at to see how extended we were. And obviously, this one big sell-off pulled us quite away. So you can see price constantly seems to revert back to it. So we'll see if that's the case. I mean, maybe we'll just get a meager little bounce just for that to work off kind of an an oversold condition. And then who knows? Maybe then we roll over. But just keep my eye on 6,500 or so. Let's just stay above that, stay above that, stay above that. And again, for the price action to change, we need to first get above 7,100 and then make a run at 7,700 for the price action to change. Right now, the price action is still technically bearish. Um, so we shall see. And here's what's crazy too is like this movement over the last week. I mean, it's identical on the other big caps. If you look at Ethereum, look at that, same thing. Big body red candle, green candle that, got near the low, not quite there, and then we're down a little bit. I mean, it's amazing how uniform everything's trading over the last week, which would be great if we were going up. So the other thing I want to point out in terms of, I guess, positive crypto news is, boom, Coinbase out of nowhere announced they are supporting Ethereum Classic. So you can apparently buy Ethereum Classic on Coinbase now. Um, I would say I'm surprised that that's the coin they picked, but I'm not because they have Ethereum and essentially this for them on a technological basis is a simple add since Ethereum Classic basically is broken off the Ethereum blockchain. So a hard fork off the blockchain. And if you're not aware what a hard fork is, then you should probably click that link in my video show notes for the free crypto tradings that I offer, videos, ebooks, all that good stuff, because it has all that information. So anyway, that's good though to at least see another coin added to Coinbase. So that means more coins available to a pool of buyers, a pool of investors, especially as Coinbase is kind of what I like to call the mom and pop exchange. Pretty much anyone that wants to get involved in crypto but really doesn't understand crypto at least in America, Coinbase is kind of the go-to since it's one of the few you can directly, get fiat to crypto, and it's pretty simple to use. So, all right, I'll see you guys on the next video.